This is altogether different. So this is a part of practical. आज सुबेरे का कौन सा था? This one. Okay, so we have started with this and our in continuation with theory, we would be engaging practical. Okay, so nothing is separate as a practical and theory, etc. All are combined, and those who are having only practicals already they have studied theory. So they have gone through all these things, and only they have to do is write down the journal. So I will ask you to submit 3 experiments of journal after 2-3 weeks, so that I will have complete data that who is there for practical and who is there for theory, etc. Okay, that is for my reference. Okay, not for you, means your submission will be over, and I don't know how what is the modality with which Javle sir would be engaging your practicals. Actually, he takes practical for in every batch wise, something like that, because he show all in batch wise. But I don't feel any, because I am giving demonstration, whether I give it to 20 students or 80 students or 100 students, because ultimately they would be watching. And if they are just watching, why to ask them to connect at 4 different times and kill my time and your time, when you can do some other work in that slot. Okay, so simultaneously, if I give you demonstration, then all can listen. Abhi, physically, there is no place to see. Here on monitor, I am going to share things with you. So if 100 students join or 20 students join, it will not matter. Physically, it will not be possible to gather 100 students and show one vernier. They cannot see, but here all can see. That is by common sense. We should apply a lot of common sense. So common sense, lot of common sense is what is called as wisdom. So okay, so everyone has his own way of executing things. So this is our experiment. So as far as experiments is concerned, so today we will try to cover 2 experiments. I will try to cover second also, but first one definitely we will cover. So first experiment is on observe the and study basic measuring instrument and devices. So it include supporting devices and some of the basic devices. Okay, and some of the basic devices which are there in any metrology department or in any quality control department that we will be having. Okay. And what is the theoretical background behind that? That already we have discussed, that it is the datum which decides your fate. Okay, I think Makram has joined. So Makram, you have registered only for theory or practical, or both? Yes. Ishwar, Makram, your mic may not be working. Switch on your mic. Okay. थोड़े देर के बाद फोन कर दो यार मेरे को. You can call me on my mobile. So second one is to perform linear measurement using this linear vernier caliper and vernier depth gauge, vernier height gauge, micrometer, etc. Okay. Then to perform angle measurement, but before that we can cover this layout inspection also. There is some practical on layout inspection. I don't recall whether it is written here or not. है क्या यहाँ पे? So this is 15. This is a small experiment, which is very important experiment, that is layout inspection. Okay, so we are having a multiple drilled plate, and it is nothing but linear measurement. I should not call it as a separate experiment. It should be a part and parcel of what you can say linear measurement. But to give separate emphasis, actually this was kept at 15 number is to give you demonstration of CMM, coordinate measuring machine. So my intention was to do manual inspection using vernier height gauge and then give same demo for the same piece on CMM that is available in Puri sir's CAM lab. You might have seen that in CAM lab. What if you join sometime in your life in scope next year you can join. Then you can see that CMM. Okay. So my intention, but it is nothing but linear inspection. Yeah, means it is linear dimensions. The distance between two holes is to be calculated, center distance between two holes. And how to obtain that? Using ordinary vernier scale and using sophisticated CMM. If you join a sophisticated company like Ashok Leyland or like a big company, then you would be having CMMs. If you join a small medium workshop, then you have to do same activity using ordinary vernier caliper. So we are going to see how to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 practicals will be there, 4 practical. And then there are a few optical measuring devices like tool maker microscope, then profile projector, profile projector using tool maker microscope and in profile. So these are 2 optical devices, 4 and 5 optical devices that we are having. And then there is a calibration demonstration. So I will show you. What do you mean by calibration? This is not post calibration, this is recalibration. The manufacturer does first calibration, means आपका कैमलिन जो आपको स्केल बेचता है, जो मोटिटोयो वर्नियर बेचता है, so whatever he prints on his scale, that is the first time he is doing, that is calibration. And due to wear and tear, you are going to recheck it whether it adhere to the standards or not. That is what is the recalibration. So whatever the devices that you are having in your laboratory, how you are going to calibrate it. So there are these 3 practicals are there on calibration. So this will be the first step. As soon as you go to any workshop, if you are asked to do measurement, first thing that you should come in your mind that can you believe on this instrument that is going to give you reading? If you cannot believe on that instrument, how you can believe on your readings or your results that you would be getting after having the inspection? If that is worn out, if it is not showing correct readings, then your complete inspection process will be wrong. The first foremost step is to recalibrate, is to check वो गिर गया था क्या, या बेंड हो गया, या कुछ खराब हो गया और वो रीडिंग नहीं दे रहा है, और आप वो गलत इंस्ट्रूमेंट से आप रीडिंग लेते हो तो आपका पूरा प्रोडक्शन वेस्टेज जाएगा. So when the matter or the material will flow through the last assembly phase, and if the functional requirement are not fulfilled, what you are going to have? You are going to have tolerances between shaft and bearing, between shaft, bearing and hub. And if you cannot fit it, so for fitment, you need all dimensions to be as per the standards. Shaft should be as per the standards, bearing should be as per the standards, hub should be as per the standards, and all these things are manufactured by the different manufacturer. Bearing will be manufactured by Escape, shaft may be manufactured by some other factory, hub maybe by casting you would be getting some sort of hub or some foundation that you would be getting. And then when you have to join them, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to get the required fit, required performance, required functional requirement, clearance fit, transition fit, interference fit, that is must. If you are not getting that, what will happen? All production will be in vain. Why? Because everything did right thing. They took the vernier, they took the micrometer, they took the different measuring devices, and they controlled the production, but they have not calibrated their measuring instruments at the beginning. And इंस्पेक्शन करने के पहले जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट आप यूज कर रहे हैं उसने धोखा दे दिया, उसने वो ही बेचारा खराब था. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव नॉट कैलिब्रेटेड यू आर नॉट वाइज. यू शुड बी वाइज इनफ टू चेक कि मैं इससे काम कर रहा हूँ बट इसी में तो गड़बड़ नहीं है. दैट यू हैव टू ascertain. Study and use optical flat. So optical flat, this is Newton's ring phenomenon that you might have studied in physics, how that will be used for surface toughness. So those demos are there. So there will be 5, 6, 7 practicals from measurement side, and 6, 7 practicals from what you can say metrology side, and all will comprise of around 15 to 20 practicals that we will see, because it is both, it is there for theory as well as for practical. Otherwise also we are going to study optical flats, we will include it in theory, same time I will give you demo, your practical will be over. Then all these you can read. These slides would be with you. I would be sending you all these slides now after this lecture. Okay, so we have discussed all these things, and whatever the conclusion that we had drawn, all these perpendicularity, concentricity, and all those things would need datum. Okay, some of the features would need datum, some of them would not need datum. So whenever datum is required, we are having the datum, or rather we are obtaining the datum using supporting devices. So in morning we have discussed first supporting device, that is surface plate. So we have discussed that surface plate are of different materials like cast iron or like granite and like glass, and they have made perfectly flat, and the flatness of that decides the fate of that. If you need very accurate results or inspection, you have to have grade 00 type of surface plate. So what is the deviation from ideal flatness that particular surface plate would be having, that you have to see whether it is as per IS standards or not, or ISO standards or not, and as per those standards you should make it perfectly horizontal. Once it is horizontal, perfectly horizontal, I should not say perfectly horizontal. Horizontal is dependent on what you can say screw that you are going to fit, and you are going to manage those screws. Okay, that I have shown you in our morning lecture. Okay, so again I will show you. कहाँ गया? This should be flat. This is perfectly flat, and I will say horizontal. I will get horizontal based on like this, either like this in this plane and in this plane, which is perpendicular to your camera. In that direction, whether you are getting perfect horizontal level, so flat surface should be horizontal, and that will decide. So you have to write in journal in brief about grade 2 like this, grade 00, grade 1, and all those workshop standard and reference standard, and different names are given. So you have to start reading. Whatever I am discussing is from the books only, but it is selective discussion. It's not all the pages and paragraphs that I am discussing. Types of measurement, direct measurement, indirect measurement, then contact measurement, contactless measurement. Apart from that, there are many. Important one I will discuss, rest of the things you read. Important things I will be discussing. Books are available with you. You read those books and finish the matter. So already one book is shared with you. So I will not discuss each and every what you can say each and every page, okay, of your book. I will discuss those things which are really important in the context of subject. And if you join any industry, what at the basic level, at the rudimentary level, you must know, that I will emphasize upon. Okay, so the accuracy, design of linear measuring instrument. Okay, so accuracy, it should be accurate, all the graduation. So we will finish these transparencies, these what you can say slides and it will cover all supporting devices, etc. Okay, so first accuracy. The line graduated on the instruments, original accuracy of the graduation. जो कैम्पलिन वाला, जो मिटोयो, जो वर्नियर, जो पहली बार कैलिब्रेट करता है, mark करता है, that should be perfect. If that marking is wrong, complete what you can say instrument would be wrong. Nowadays, you are replacing it with different digital devices. You are having now digital vernier, digital micrometer, digital क्या बोलते हैं आप उसको, dial gauge, digital. Everything is digital. But everything is digital, then signal processing will come in picture. Then your movement will be converted into some voltage, and that voltage will be transferred to some uh, analog to digital converter. Those digital converter would be then doing processing it, and then it would be giving you some answer. That's how it will work. So you should know something about electronics if you want to learn digital equipments. But our focus would not be on the digital equipments. Our focus would be on our subject content. And if you join our offline practicals, I will not ask anyone to use digital equipments because they are very easy to use. And I feel that as an engineer, as a mechanical engineer, no one prefers them on shop floor because the overall environment on shop floor is quite, what you can say, having vibrations, dust, pollution, oil is there. Okay, so it is not a very, very, what you can say, cool or clean place. And for that, your conventional instruments would be better. So, okay, so that is what accuracy. Scale provide. From college. Am I connected? I had a phone call from college. Am I connected?
Yes, sir.
आ गया क्या कनेक्शन वापस? तो चलो, ये फोन आया तो मेरा इधर कनेक्शन ये हो जाता है. So I had 2 lectures in morning. Now one hour, 1.5 hour, whatever, 1 hour we will take. So it should have versatile attachments. So while designing instruments, someone has to design all these instruments. So it should be accurate. Scale should be in a position that you should adjust and you can manage error. It should have different attachments so that different shapes and intricate geometries can be measured by instruments. Okay, the feel of user and their precision. So you will see ratchet mechanism is provided in micrometer. Some arrangement is given in vernier so that what will happen, the operator error will get reduced. Plus it will incorporate some feel, some what you can say tactical features. Tactical बोलते हैं उसको, टच को क्या बोलते हैं? I think it is same. जो टच आदमी का जो टच सेंस है, टच सेंस, टैक्टिकल बराबर लिखा है, बराबर है. इसी brain recalls the statements, words in spontaneity. It's not that I plan and I teach. Okay. So, of course, I maintain using these slides. I try to maintain, organize my thoughts, but it is in spontaneity. So touch sense, how that if someone applies lot of pressure by vernier, someone applies lot of pressure by micrometer, what will happen? The job will get deformed. The job will get deformed. Then क्या करेंगे हम लोग भाई? Job deform हो गया तो क्या होगा? गड़बड़ हो जाएंगी, है ना? तो सबने चेक किया तो भी सेम रीडिंग आना चाहिए. मैंने चेक किया किसी यानी मैं ओवरवेट हूँ, कोई अंडरवेट होगा उसने चेक किया, कोई ओबेज होगा उसने चेक किया, तो हर एक अपना ताकत लगाएगा, जोर जोर लगाएगा, तो वो कैसे आप हटाओगे? दैट इज टू बी टेकन केयर बाय डिजाइनर. So he has to provide some mechanisms to take care of that. Principles of alignment. This is Abbe's alignment principle. Have you learned Abbe's alignment principle? That we will see. Abbe's alignment principles means the measurement axis of the measuring instrument should match with the axis of measurement. Means I have to measure this length. If I draw here this as a cylinder, if I draw this as a cylinder, if I want to measure the length of this cylinder, then what you can say, this axis of my measuring instrument, it should not be in inclination with this. So if this is my vernier, its axis or its what you can say, axis of measurement should be in alignment. It should be perfectly parallel with this. If it is inclined, it is टेढ़ा, टेढ़े के साथ फिर गड़बड़ होता है. It is called as cosine error. Abbe's alignment principle. So how you can incorporate something in your design so that you will get rid of this error that you have to think. Abbe's alignment principle. If you read books, you will get all these things. Okay, dial version of the instruments is to be added for the convenience. Dial is very easy to read compared to that vernier. I will show you now reading. Okay, so readability of the scale. 0.1. Can you read 0.1 mm? If I ask you, read 0.1 mm. No, ये भाग के आ रहा हूँ. 0.1 mm कैसे गिनना है आप नहीं बता सकते. 1 mm के 10 पार्ट किए और एक पार्ट आपको गिनना है. 1 mm कितना होता है? ये आ गया वापस, तो भाग जाते आ जाते. ओके, ठीक है. तो 10 पार्ट, mm का 10 पार्ट, mm का 100 पार्ट. अब दिखेगा क्या आंख से? नहीं दिखेगा. सो हाउ टू इंक्रीज रीडेबिलिटी? दैट इज अगेन अ चैलेंज. सो in case of vernier, some magnifying glass is attached. I will show you that. In case of उसका जो थिम्बल रहता है, थिम्बल यानी जो घूमता है, आपने फिजिक्स में पढ़ा होगा, वो बड़ा बना देते हैं उसको, उसका जो सरकमफरेंस है उसको बड़ा कर देते हैं, रीडेबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है ना. जैसे क्लॉक का एग्जांपल दिया मैंने मॉर्निंग में, वो आपने हैंड बड़ा किया, हैंड यानी वो मिनट हैंड, वो वाला हैंड काटा जिसको इंग्लिश में हैंड बोलते हैं. इसका घड़ी का मीन्स क्लॉक का. दैट इज व्हाट इज. If you increase it, your arc length will increase. As soon as the arc length increases, readability increases. इसलिए भोंकने को भी हमारा वॉल क्लॉक अच्छे से दिखता है. हैंड वॉच नहीं दिखता, लेकिन वॉल क्लॉक दिखता है, यानी जिसको चश्मा है या जो कोई भी है तो उसको दिखता है. क्यों? बिकॉज द रीडेबिलिटी इज गुड. Because same angle, only by increasing length, arc length increases, readability increases. आप ढूंढ के निकालो as a designer what you can do to increase the readability. Okay, easier for micrometer, how you can reduce cost, how you can include dial, how you can include electronic display, that you have to think. So contact force between the job and instrument is inevitable. How you are going to take care of this using different mechanisms, ratchet mechanism, and all that we will see. Okay, so यही टेढ़ा हो गया था, मैंने टेढ़ा ही पढ़ाया आपको. Same thing was written here in. So that was Abbe's alignment error that we had in our photograph. So you can see this. This is run out. You need some datum. So we will see this during our practicals on circularity, cylindricity, then parallelism, then perpendicularity. So we are having practicals on that. Geometric features, identifying geometric features. So during that we will see this. Okay. ऐसा नहीं रहता रियल लाइफ में कि भाई ये लीनियर मेजरमेंट का प्रैक्टिकल है, एंगल मेजरमेंट का. देयर विल बी ओनली वन प्रैक्टिकल, दैट विल बी द ड्राइंग विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू. And based on that drawing, you have to start selecting different instruments. You have to decide its accuracy. You have to decide its plunger. You have to decide how it will touch your intricate shapes of your job. वो आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करना है, वर्नियर यूज करूं या माइक्रोमीटर यूज करूं। अगर माइक्रोमीटर यूज करूंगा तो उसका जो एनविल है वो फिट होगा क्या, उसमें एरर आएगी क्या, उसमें किस टाइप की एरर आएगी, मैं उस एरर को कैसे अवॉइड कर सकता हूँ। ये सारी चीजें आपको सोचनी पड़ेगी, उसका आपको पैसा मिलेगा। अगर आपने नहीं किया तो आपको भगा दिया जाएगा, है ना। इधर कम मार्क्स मिलेंगे, इधर कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आपको ए मिलना होगा, ए भी मिलना होगा तो सी सी मिलेगा, है ना। उधर आपको भगा देंगे कंपनी से अगर आप सोचते नहीं हो तो। हाँ, आप सोचते नहीं हो तो आपको भगा देंगे कंपनी से अगर आप ये बारे में सोचते नहीं हो। ओके, दिस इज व्हाट इज our first experiment. Now we will start with supporting devices. This is the angle plate that we are having. It is huge, very heavy angle plates that we are having. You will find there are slots here to hold by screw and nut different jobs. If there are heavy jobs, then you can hold it by screw and nut arrangement. Okay, so this is the angle plate. Okay, this is a V block. This is generally having 90-degree angle. In few cases this angle is different, that we will see from books that what is the angle. Here you will find some holes are provided which take care of thermal expansion. Okay, so if there is any thermal expansion, it can change its shape. Okay, that you cannot see with your eyes, of course. That is very fine in microns. It is there. Then we are having other holding devices is between center. This is called as between center. So you are having this perfectly two, this is in alignment you are having. Okay, so this is what is two rods you are having, two bars you are having, and here it is having this conical shape and there is a tip. This you have seen in your lathe machine. Okay, उसको tail stock बोलते हैं. Tail stock is in perfect alignment with the headstock. Okay, the center of the headstock is perfectly aligned with the tail stock. So same is the case. Now this is hold on here on slides. So how these slides are manufactured, how this is manufactured, its manufacturing is very costly. This is not that easy. This should be perfectly flat, perfectly horizontal, and this is for holding and tightening of these bars and holding of this. So this is again between center is your holding device. You are going to use it for circularity measurement, for taper measurement. Okay, so that we will see how we can use this. Okay, in our experiment right now our discussion is different holding devices. Okay, and you can move this on this slide. So this again can be moved. Now this you can move here like this using this screw and nut arrangement. So if you rotate it in this direction, this complete slide will move. Okay, this is fixed. Yeah, upper portion is fixed. And if you move it in this direction, then this slide will move in this direction. So there is a what do you say? There is a screw and thread arrangement, perfect screw thread arrangement. Okay, that is how it is manufactured. Plus this you can take in upward direction or in lower direction using this. So this is between center. This is called as between center. And here, if it is, suppose you are having a bearing, this bearing you will fit it in a mandrel. So there are mandrels. There are mandrels available in industry. So like this. So they are having taper. So you have to just fit this particular mandrel. You have to fit this bearing in this mandrel. इसको बेयरिंग को इसके अंदर डालो और ये कहीं तो भी फंस जाएगी. and then you hold this mandrel here. You hold this mandrel in between center. यहाँ पे between center में hold करो, and then you rotate this. You will get run out. You will get run out of this, or you can say circularity वगैरह लोग find out कर सकते हैं. So this is one of the important device. Now dial, I'm always drawing dial. Okay, so you will find frequent use of dial, and this dial we would be discussing in comparator chapter. But before that, I would like to show you how it works. So that even though we are discussing here during practicals, so you would be comfortable. You will understand what is going on. Okay, so what is going on, you can easily understand. What is dial? What is dial? See, this is a Baker dial, and if you see dial, you give the linear displacement. Here you give the linear displacement to this plunger, and here when it moves in upward direction, you will find that there are some gears. So this is what is called as rack. This is the rack to which this pinion is connected. Okay, you can see center plate with center pinion. This is यहाँ पे क्या है, I don't know, अभी ये मेरे को ढूंढना पड़ेगा किसको क्या बोलते हैं. Anyway, so when it moves, so there is a pinion to which you are having this plunger connected. So it is having some range. You can see here there is a range. It can move from 10 micron to 10 mm. 10 micron means 0.01 mm to 10 mm. So whatever the readings that you would be getting using this hand and this small hand is smaller pointer, and this large hand is large pointer. So one rotation of large pointer will indicate 1 mm, and this arc, you can you see this mark here? This will indicate 0.1 mm, and this division, smallest division on main scale, will represent 10 micron. 10 micron, 90 micron, 100 micron, 200 micron, 300 micron, 500 micron, 600 micron, 700 micron, 800 micron, 900 micron, 900 micron, and 1000 micron. What do you mean by 1000 micron? How much mm? 1000 micron means कितना mm? कोई बोलेगा 1 mm. करेक्ट. तो 1000 माइक्रोन मीन्स 1 mm. यानी ये जो पॉइंटर है ये पूरा एक रोटेशन करेगा तो 1 mm प्लंजर ऊपर जाएगा. 1 mm जब ऊपर जाएगा, प्लंजर 1 mm it will move. So this pointer, big pointer, will make one complete rotation. Then it will make second complete rotation, then 2 mm, then 3 mm, then 4 mm, then 5 mm. When it makes 1 mm complete rotation, this inside hand will move by one division. That will be 1 mm. Then this is 2 mm. Then this is 3 mm. तीसरा रोटेशन हो गया पॉइंटर का. So जब हमको रीडिंग लेना है तब हम इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर रखेंगे. So अंदर का पॉइंटर will go to suppose 5000 micron. If it is moved 5 mm above, then it will be here, plunger will be here, and all these gears will move in upward direction. So all these gear will rotate and this will move in upward direction. If you keep the job here, inside क्या बोलेंगे इसको, inside pointer will be at suppose at 5 mm, and then if you replace it by some other job that you want to keep, then this plunger will go either up if it is more than that length, or down दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क। अभी इसमें क्या है, गियर है, गियर यू विल फाइंड दी स्प्रिंग्स, दी स्प्रिंग्स विल कीप इट इन टेंशन। तो इसका डायमेंशन कम हो गया, आपने 5 mm पे लेके गए, इसका डायमेंशन अननोन जो आप फिर आपने रखा उसका कम हो गया, तो दिस विल गेट रिलीज्ड एंड इट विल गो डाउन। ओके, एंड ये this stiffness of these two you can see, these two springs are there, ये वापस लेके आता, रिस्टोरिंग है, एंड दिस इज टू टेक केयर ऑफ बैकलैश, स्पिंडल व्हील असेंबली। अभी आपको सारी चीजें पढ़ाई जाएंगी, मेजरमेंट में हिस्टेरिसिस क्या है, बैकलैश क्या है, ये सारी चीजें आपको पढ़ाई जाएगी। आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में भी पढ़ाई गई है, हिस्टेरिसिस क्या है, मैग्नेटाइजेशन क्या है, वगैरह 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 वगैरह। हमारे लिए हिस्टेरिसिस वगैरह क्या है, बहुत इजी है। बैकलैश क्या है, बहुत इजी है। आप इनपुट देते हो, आउटपुट आता नहीं। मैंने 100 रुपया दिया और एक्चुअल ग्रास रूट पे पहुंचा 90 रुपया, तो 10 रुपया खा गया बीच का एजेंट, जो खा गया दैट इज बैकलैश, है ना। हिस्टेरिसिस, आपने अपवर्ड मूवमेंट किया, आपने बैकवर्ड मूवमेंट किया, डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट किया, जो रीडिंग आपने अपवर्ड मूवमेंट में किया वही बैकवर्ड मूवमेंट में आया, अगर तो ठीक है, नहीं आया तो हिस्टेरिसिस है, गड़बड़ है। ओके, सो बहुत सारी टर्म्स है, उसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग आप क्लियर रखो कि क्या करना है। आप मैग्नेटाइजेशन में बीएच कर्व पढ़ते हो, तो आप मैग्नेटाइज करते हो, डीमैग्नेटाइज करते हो, तो होता नहीं, वो होता नहीं, है ना, ऐसा नहीं होता वो। यानी आपका जो मटेरियल मैग्नेटाइज होता है बाद में, वो तुरंत डीमैग्नेटाइज नहीं होता, वो पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, फिर आपको और कुछ भी करना पड़ता है उसके लिए। तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच ऑल योर इंडक्शन मोटर, ऑल योर ट्रांसफॉर्मर वर्क दैट यू हैव सीन इन योर बीटेक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, है ना। तो उसका मतलब समझो ये क्या चीज है। So this is frequently I would be using dial. I would be using dial. So at least something at rudimentary level you should know, and this is basic measuring instrument. फिर इसके ऊपर एक कैप रहती है, सो दैट देयर इज अ प्रोटेक्शन। ये जो है, ये जो स्क्रू है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्क्रू क्या करते हैं इससे, ये जो इसके अंदर का जो ये स्केल है दैट यू कैन रोटेट, मीन्स ये जो है ना मार्किंग 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so if you rotate this, then this scale you can move as per your need. ऐसा है ना, आई होप सो। इसके ऊपर एक सर्कलिप है, इससे मूव करते हैं या कभी कभी डायरेक्टली, मैं आपको इसका डेमो दे दूंगा। मैं आज कॉलेज में नहीं गया, मैं कॉलेज में जाके आपको डेमो व्हाट्सएप पे बना के भेज दूंगा कि कैसे हम लोग डायल यूज करते हैं, होगा भी शायद, मैंने कुछ अभी आपको भेजे भी है। तो उसके ऊपर एक ऐसी रिंग रहती है, वो घुमाए तो भी ये नंबर्स घूमते हैं, 10, 20, 30। ओके, सो एनीवे, उसको जो टेक्निकल नाम है दैट इज गिवन हियर, ग्लास, बेजल, इनर डायल, आउटर डायल एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स। छोड़ो उसको, अभी हम लोग कहाँ पे जाएंगे, अरे तो ब्लैंक है। अच्छा, ये टर्निंग वर्निंग, दिस इज जस्ट टू शो यू ये हबिंग टूल क्या होता है। दीज आर हबिंग टूल्स, ऐसा शेप देते हैं, यू कैन गेट द शेप लाइक दिस। हबिंग टूल नहीं बोलेंगे इसको, क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, क्या बोलते हैं, there is a specific word, generating and forming, this is called as form tool। there is a form inner and outer, this is form tool, form, FOARM, FOA रहता क्या, फॉर्म, जैसे FORM, जो शेप आपको देना है डायरेक्टली उस शेप का आप टूल से उसको काट डालो, दैट इज फॉर्म शेप। ये बियरिंग का एग्जांपल है शायद, ठीक, चलो। हाँ, ये देखो, ये आपने देखा होगा कहीं पे, 6 फीट, ये पुराने जमाने के सारे स्टैंडर्ड, 1 फीट, 2 फीट, 3 फीट, 4 फीट, 5 फीट, 6 फीट, अभी तुम बोलोगे कौन से आदमी के या छोटे बच्चे के या लाइक दैट, तो वैसा बताना मुश्किल है। मेरा फिट कितना, आपका फिट कितना, बट दीज आर दी क्यूबिट and all those things. Okay, so is old age old age measuring unit. यार्ड, यार्ड यानी क्या है? आपने ऐसे हाथ फैलाए, दिस डिस्टेंस टू दिस डिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड एज 1 यार्ड। ये अभी और कोई कुछ कुछ है, ये अलग अलग यूनिट्स। ये nowadays you can measure up to 10 nanomicron. So I told you that we will see all these new uh, क्या है वो, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, क्या है वो, माइक्रोस्कोप, very very costly microscopes are there, but it is used in nanotechnology. Okay, this I have copied somewhere. अरे चलो भैया, दिखा इसे मुझे निकाला। अरे यहाँ, so we will start with now supporting devices का खत्म बन गया है। So these are all supporting devices. So for linear measurement, so D block, angle plate, steel rule. Steel rule is not supporting device, it is a basic measuring device. कुछ भी लिखता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे। So this is steel rule is support basic measuring device. Supporting device. Okay, it is supporting devices. No, supporting and basic devices. Basic measuring, and I should write marking devices, marking and measuring both. Then combination square, engineer square, calipers, marking punches, straight edges, feeler gauges. आपने देखा है ये सारी चीजें पहले? तो दिस इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्क्वायर। ओके, अभी इसका फोटो तो है मेरे पास। दिस इज स्ट्रेट एज। पहला क्या था? This is called as combination square. Where it is used in fitting, or it is used for marking purpose. इसमें क्या रहती है? यहाँ पे एक स्टील रूल रहती है, यहाँ से गायब है वो अभी। स्टील रूल, देयर इज अ स्टील रूल। उस स्टील रूल में यू कैन पुट दिस। यहाँ पे रहता है स्पिरिट लेवल, यहाँ पे रहता है स्पिरिट लेवल। ये आपने अटैच किया इस स्टील रूल को, तो ये बनता है इंजीनियर स्क्वायर। इसका आप अलग अलग डायरेक्शन बना सकते हैं। यू कैन फिट इट हियर इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस लाइक दिस, एंड यू कैन मार्क एंगल। दिस एंगल you can mark. This is you can fit it here like this, and you can measure क्या मेजर कर सकते हैं? डायमीटर you can measure. You can measure diameter. Okay, so it is used for both marking as well as measuring purpose. So जो मशीनिंग करने से पहले बेसिक काम करना पड़ता है, मार्किंग, वो इस पे आप करते हैं। आप फिर मशीनिंग किसी से भी करो, हैंड फाइल से करो जो फर्स्ट ईयर में किया, यू कैन डू इट ऑन सम मिलिंग मशीन और सम ड्रिलिंग मशीन, या जो मशीन यूज करना है करो, ठीक है। बट मार्किंग तो करना पड़ेगा। इफ इट इज नॉट CNC you have to mark. If it is CNC you can set coordinates, and then it will coordinate with your reference coordinate or with your आपको जीरो डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा जॉब के ऊपर, एंड देन इट विल कट अकॉर्डिंगली। अदरवाइज यू हैव टू मार्क इट। आदमी रहेगा तो वो बेवकूफ रहता है, उसको समझता नहीं, उसको कट करने के लिए मार्किंग करना पड़ेगा विथ पंचेस, विथ सम इंक, विथ पर्शियन ब्लू, विथ चॉक, समथिंग ही हैज टू डू। यस, नींद आ रही? बोर हो रहा है? नींद आ गई क्या? आई हैड सम स्नोरिंग साउंड, सो मे बी नींद आ रही है सबको? यस। यस, एम आई कनेक्टेड? मेरे को ये अंदर डाल देता हूँ मैं ये। ये नींद आ रही है, खाना बहुत खाया, समझ में नहीं आ रहा? नहीं नहीं, कनेक्टेड है, नींद आ रही क्या? कनेक्टेड तो है रे। अरे नहीं आ रही, खाना नहीं खाया फिर आप लोगों ने, बराबर। ये तो थोड़ा सा मराठी में इसको बोलते हैं वाम कुक्षी। फास्ट है सर, फास्ट। मैं फास्ट हूँ या? अच्छा, आपका फास्ट है, यानी आज मंगलवार। ओके। हनुमान हनुमान हनुमान। ओके। व्रत, बाप रे व्रत। चलो। चलो, आई विल गो स्लो. I may be fast. I thought that you are saying that I am fast. I have not, the perception in my mind was not about the fast, that is breakfast type of fast. Okay. Okay. So this is having spirit level, this is having engineer square, this is having protractor, this is having heat block. So good photographs are there in forthcoming slides which are taken from book. Okay, so I will slightly go fast. धीरे पढ़ाना बोर भी होता है, सुनना भी बोर होता है, बट दिस इज फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल. स्ट्रेट एज. अभी ये स्ट्रेट एज का क्या करते हैं, दैट आई विल शो यू. इट इज हैविंग परफेक्ट स्ट्रेट. दिस एज एंड दिस एज इज परफेक्टली स्ट्रेट. ये बड़ा बड़ा महंगा रहता है. दिस इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ, आई टोल्ड यू जस्ट नाउ मैंड्रेल. आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू मैंड्रेल. ओके. ओके. अगर आप में आते तो आपको नींद नहीं आएगी, आपको ये देखना है फिजिकली. सो unfortunately we are in offline mode, so I'm sorry for that, but then I have to entertain you, I have to tell you everything. So there you can experience, you can see everything is there in our lab. ये क्या करेंगे? So this is having straight edge. इसको क्या करते हैं, ऐसे सरफेस प्लेट पे रखते हैं. ये ऐसा सरफेस प्लेट है, इसके ऊपर रखते हैं. यहाँ पे पर्शियन ब्लू लगाते हैं, इसको रखते हैं ऐसा एंड उठा लेते हैं. ओके. सो दिस स्ट्रेट एज यू पुट इट हियर, यू रिमूव इट. रिमूव करेंगे, वहां पे आपको मार्किंग मिलेगा. मार्किंग मिलेगा यानी वो टच हो रहा है, टच हो रहा है यानी परफेक्टली फ्लैट है. अगर यहाँ पे बीच में खड्डा है, यहाँ पे ऐसा गड्ढा है, तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे ब्लू ऐसा ही रहेगा एंड बाकी आपको इंप्रेशन मिलेगा. दैट्स हाउ यू ऑब्टेन दी स्ट्रेटनेस. ओके, स्ट्रेटनेस नॉट फ्लैटनेस. So when you measure it across the in different directions across the surface plate, you can measure the flatness. Okay, so extension of straightness is flatness. The next one are the calipers. I will skip this. This you have seen in your fitting and you have seen in your lathe use किया कि नहीं आप लोगों ने, आपके बैच ने, या सिर्फ डेमो ही देखा? अच्छा, आपके बैच ने डेमो ही देखा है. यू आर डेमो इंजीनियर. ओके, एम आई करेक्ट? अंधारे सर ने दिखाया था कि जल्ले सर ने डेमो में, या खुद आपने मशीनिंग किया लास्ट ईयर?
नहीं किया सर मशीनिंग.
ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसफर डिवाइस. ये मेजरमेंट नहीं करता, ये सिर्फ यहाँ से डायमेंशन उठाता है. यहाँ से ये डायमेंशन उठाएगा, इसका हाई पॉइंट निकालना पड़ेगा. ये डायमेंशन उठाएगा, यहाँ पे लगाएगा. ओके, so that is transfer device. It is used for only transferring the dimension. It itself does not give you any reading. कितना mm है, ये है. So it is accuracy is limited in mm. आप इसको 0.1 mm में करना होगा तो better not to use this. Then better you go for vernier, you go for some other instrument. This is another gauge. These are basic devices. अगर आप कहीं मार्केट में गए, so you will इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This is used for wire measurement, wire diameter measurement. Okay, there are different wires of different size available in market. So you have to just put it here and see what is the gauge of that wire. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? पतरे को gauge बोलते हैं. So wire diameter you can measure. So this is what is called as wire gauge. Okay. So you are having different sizes, 2, 3, 4. Here many dimensions you will find here, 1 and all that. So you have to just insert it and you can understand what is the This is called as इसको क्या बोलते हैं, थ्रेड थ्रेड गेज। क्या नाम है इसका, थ्रेड गेज ही है। ओके, ये क्या करता है, दिस इफ यू आर हैविंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ screw thread, then you can identify the pitch. You can identify the pitch. pitch सिर्फ pitch बताता है कितना। आप कैसा लिखते हो pitch, 1.4 मेट्रिक थ्रेड, ऐसा लिखते हो ना, ऐसा कुछ लिखते हो। सॉरी, 30 मेट्रिक 1.4 ऐसा कुछ नोटेशन रहता है। आई डू नॉट रिकॉल, इन मशीन ड्राइंग यू माइट हैव लर्न। Have you gone through this? So whatever this pitch is, that pitch, hello, hello, are we connected again?
यस सर।
मुझे एक फोन आया, मुझे लगा ये मेरे को करोड़ों का लोन देगा, पैसा देगा। आई थॉट आई शुड अटेंड इट, बट वो अपना स्टूडेंट था, उसको इंस्ट्रूमेंट चाहिए था कॉलेज में का, पीएचडी का स्टूडेंट था। मैं बोला तू मेरे को लगा लोन देगा मेरे को बहुत करोड़ों का, मुझे जरूरत नहीं है मेरे को करोड़ों के लोन की। ओके, एनीवे, तो ये यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, इस थ्रेड गेज को यहाँ पे ऐसा रखते हैं एंड यू जस्ट ट्राई टू मैच द टेम्पलेट। दिस इज द थ्रेड गेज एंड दिस इज द थ्रेड। ये थ्रेड के साथ आप क्या करते हैं, इसको मैच करते हैं। यहाँ पे जस्ट आप इसको ऐसा रख के मैच करते हैं कि वेदर इट इज मैचिंग और नॉट, एंड दैट टेल्स यू व्हाट टाइप ऑफ व्हाट इज द पिच ऑफ दिस। So you can ascertain the pitch, that is the thread gauge that you are having. This is a big pitch, this is small pitch that you can see. Okay, but it will be applicable only to some metric thread or like that. It would be different. Here we are having this basic measuring instruments. One of the basic measure, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, thickness gauge. This is called as thickness gauge. अभी इंग्लैंड वाले JU लिखते हैं, अमेरिकन वाले गेज लिखते हैं, JG लिखते हैं। ठीक है, अभी ये जो गेज है, दिस इज इफ देयर इज अ गैप, स्पार्क प्लग में गैप रहती है, दैट गैप यू कैन मेजर यूजिंग this gap gauge. So it is having these plates of different thicknesses. That thickness is written here: 0.55 mm, 0.80 mm, 0.60 mm, like that. So you have to just insert it and you have to check it whether that gap is of that size. If you set your fixtures and if you want to maintain specific gap, then you can put it and then you can fix it by nut and bolt. So that is also possible. That is what is. Here I have kept one drawing. अभी ये drawing यहाँ पे actually बताना चाहिए था आपको. So this is a commercial professional drawing which is taken from market, and you can use that. Here you are having this as the thickness adjacent to this. Here there is a gap. If you are having here one handle, or you can move it and you can check it. यहाँ पे एक handle रहता है, that if you press here, this goes up, you put here this plate, you can get the reading here. That's how it works. Okay, so this is thickness gauge, and this is feeler gauge, and this is thickness gauge. तो इसको एग्जैक्ट क्या बोलते हैं इसको, आई थिंक दे कॉल इट एज अ गैप पेज और समथिंग लाइक दैट. There is a some unique name that is given, but it is used only. स्टील प्लेट है तो उसका कितना थिकनेस है, जस्ट पुट दैट प्लेट इन बिटवीन एंड मेजर इट. So that is the purpose. You can see the spindle is flat. Spindle नहीं, plunger is flat. Plunger किसको बोलते हैं? This is called as plunger. This is conical plunger. ये है इसका dial का. Same plunger here is of this type, flat type. This is the dial. So this is the flat type of this you can attach. Okay. तो ये जो अलग अलग प्लंजर रहते हैं ना, ये हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, गायब हो गया वो, छोड़ो. यहाँ पे हम लोग अलग अलग इसको लगा सकते हैं, वहां पे स्क्रू नट अरेंजमेंट रहता है. दैट इज हाउ इट इज यूज्ड. दिस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड leveling screws, steel stand, etc. This is one of the, already I have discussed this. This is glass, cast iron, granite. Okay, this is work used as the datum plane for measurement. Hence, it should be finished to a very large degree of geometrical surface. Then V block. So you read this V block. V block, high grade, low grade, high standard, flatness कितना चाहिए. Okay, it is either 90 degree or 120 degree, and axis is parallel to all sides and base. यानी ये जो axis है इसका. Okay, so this is the axis. Okay, if I draw it like this, this will be the axis. This should be parallel to this base. Okay, this should be parallel to this base, and this angle may be 90 degree or 120 degree. ये इसके आई स्टैंडर्ड है. ग्रेड ए हैज द 5 micron flatness. Okay, it can be used as a supporting device, as a clamp. Okay, and this is in brief you have to write down in your journal. Small एक sketch निकालना है छोटा सा, और उसके बाजू में ये in specifically in points you have to write down. Okay, as a journal, and then you have to submit. ये already we have discussed. Now we will study this. Today we will finish vernier instruments and we will stop. So take a break of 2 minutes. तब तक मैं पानी पी के आता हूँ. आप भी थोड़ा सा पानी पियो. जो सो गए वो जाग जाओ. Okay, so have a break of 2 minutes. क्योंकि आप लोग थक जाते होंगे ये सब सुन के. And we will finish only vernier today. Next time we will start with micrometer, and our second practical linear measurement would be over. Okay, so take a break of 2 minutes. अच्छा 3:45 हो गए. I think we have started at 2:30 and already 1 hour is over. Okay, this we will do in our theory lecture. Those who are in practical, क्योंकि आप लोग थक जाते होंगे, मुझे कोई नहीं प्रॉब्लम, मैं बोल सकता हूँ. अरे अभी वैसे भी 15 मिनट ही है. शुड आई कंटिन्यू या नींद आ गई आपको?
Sir, if we take it in theory class, it will be better.
ओके, चलो, नो इशू. अभी आपको कभी भी लगता है स्पीड ज्यादा हो रही है, कम हो रही है, यू कैन स्टॉप मी. ओके, यू कैन आस्क मी. आई ट्राई टू रिपीट. ओके, थोड़ा सा मैं ह्यूमरस मोड में लेके जाता हूँ क्लास को, सो दैट जो सोए वो जाग जाए, जो जागे वो थोड़े से हंस ले. So that is to keep you attentive. Okay, मैं ऐसा बोलते रहूँगा, this is vernier caliper, it has 2 jaws, and this is done. तो मैं वो आप बोर हो जाओगे. तो इसको थोड़ा सा ह्यूमरस, थोड़ा सा अटेंटिव बनाने के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा उस पे मसाला मिक्स करता हूँ. सो इफ सम जोक गोस इन सम रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन, we bear it. Okay, but that is, are you enjoying or not? Okay, chalo, thank you. So I stop here and we will continue. So one practical is over, that is supporting devices. V block, that is available in your book. Whatever is listed here, that you write down as your first practical. I will send you manual also. From that manual you can write down. Okay, अभी भेजता हूँ मैं. Okay, so our practical for this week is over.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
चलो, bye.
Okay.